Hello WordPress people, I am Gomdi Torabdar. I came here with an interesting project after a long time. So this project name is CSScrafter. CSScrafter. This is the name you can see in my screen, CSScrafter. So I'm very much excited with this project. This project is dedicated for the Gutenberg block editor. So seeing the name, you definitely get the idea what you can do, what I'm going to share with you. So I have created tons of this is not tons of items. I've created some extraordinary beautiful items with the tons of CSS materials available in the web, but this is for dedicatedly for Gutenberg block editor. By default, we have some limitations right now to in a styling Gutenberg default blocks, but we can achieve the extraordinary things with the block editor and some simple CSS tweaking. So to achieve that, I have created a library. I'm creating a library, and this is the very initial launch of the library. You can see I am covering the 4 items here, 4 type of items: the CSS for default button blocks and CSS cards, which is actually the group of block items, and this is CSS particles. I'm not using any JavaScript here. This is the pure CSS. You can use it, and heading styles, CSS heading styles. So moving forward, what is waiting for you, this is the library. This is a button style. These are some fancy item I am adding here, but I will add some regular use items for you so that you can use it on a regular basis. So I'm just I'm adding these type of things to show you how it can be done easily with the CSS in the different block editor, and you don't have to that much worry. Just thing is very easy to use. This is the card items. This is the image card I have created for the default item. This is the flip over item, and this is the service items for the cards. I will add some extra card item for you, and this is the CSS particles you can use. These are the things I have created. This is the gradient block animations, this is the shape divider animation, this is the fluid up, and these are the things you can see in this website actually. Now here is another heading styles. You will get this type of extraordinary heading styles, so you can use this kind of things for your websites very easily, and I will show how you can easily use that. So to do that, there is a dependent plugin. I am using a free plugin. This is the block CSS created by Theme Isle and Mr. Deep Ansari, my buddy. He is the brilliant mind who created this tool, and this tool will help you to add some extraordinary CSS items to your default default blocks actually. So you can see, you can get the idea from the screenshot here. So you don't have to add the CSS right now if you use the default items from here, just like that. Here, if you want to get this item in your website, just expand the accordion item and copy this block item. You will see that I have mentioned it. This is the block item, and I also mentioned the recommended plugin here, and this is the raw CSS. You can see if you want to use the raw CSS here. So this is my freshly installed website. I have already added the block CSS plugin here. Just I want to use your shortcut to paste items, just Control or Command V. Thus I'm use the Command V. Here you will see, and you can replace the image. This currently is coming from my project, so you can replace that, or if you want to add tweaking something, you will get the CSS custom CSS. This is coming from that block CSS plugin, so you can custom tweaking in that thing very easily. So this is how you can use this item in your website. You can see this is already in your website. This is the fresh install. So you can see I'm using test.wp here. So this is how easily you can achieve all the item from this library, and I will definitely increase the library on time to times, and I will add some regularly usable items for you so that you can use on your projects. So this project will definitely be free forever, so you can use these items very easily and share with your friends and colleagues, and definitely share your thoughts and opinions. And if you want to contribute, definitely you can contact me, or you can use the contact process of this website so that we can make the library bigger. So that's the thing I like to share with you. I'm very much excited, and I didn't come up with in the first hand, because I just want to share the at least MVP style for you. So that's it for now. I hope you will enjoy the project, and please share your opinion and share with your friends and family or your colleagues, those who want to create extra good looking things with the block editor. Thank you for now, and this is Govinda signing off from the CSScrafter. See you on the next projects. Tada, bye bye.